Good afternoon, this is Bob Knight, and it's the 5th of January 2018, but I want to talk about a trade I did yesterday on CNET, ChinaNet Online Holdings. Another one of these perfect stormed hot Chinese sector into blockchain technology. Who knows? But what am I? I just trade them, so I don't invent them, I just trade them. Anyways, here's this is the 1-year chart. You can see the stock, didn't do anything, was in the dollar area. And then they put out that announcement. It takes off like crazy. 12 million shares issued, averages 1.6 million. So, it's a pretty good trader. But yesterday it traded 80 million shares the day that I traded. So crazy. But anyways, here's the 2-day chart, 5-minute time period, which I normally use for trading. Oops, and let's take that out of there. And so this is the, this is such a huge move. These moves down here don't look like much, but each one of these bars is $1. So anyways, stock pops up pre-market. I'm watching it. Opens, has a double top, pulls back into this 286 area, well, sort of in the 3 area. And so I'm watching it, and I actually alerted in chat that I'm watching it. And this is this area here that, this is the area here that I start accumulating, but I want to be careful that it doesn't break below it. But when it breaks out this area here, then I do go long, and I alert it to the chat room. And I get long in my accumulating it, so I get long 6,000 shares, average cost 318. So because I added as it moved up in this area, so it breaks the wedge, away it goes, and I'm always it breaks above the high here, but I'm always a seller on the way up, and I let a little go at 380. Something in here probably spooked me a bit, one of these pullbacks or something. So I let 1,000 go at 380 because I got 6,000, and there's nothing wrong with taking profit. And then it busts through the whole dollar at 4. I sell into that spike at 410, and sure, because you got to sell into strength. Sure enough, it takes off. Then it usually at around the 450 or like the $0.50 area is going to be a bit of resistance. I sell a bit at 455, another 1,000 shares at 455, and I sell another batch in here at 488. And then so I've only got 2,000 shares left, but it consolidates in here nicely. So I'm not in a panic to sell. I kept moving my stop losses up. In this area, I think I said in chat that I had my stop at $4, and sure enough, after the midday lull, it takes off again, boom, off it hits. And what do I do here? Okay, so you never know. You don't know it's going to run to 12. I guess I should have, because this is a very strong chart pattern here for me. This 15 EMA moving up and the 5 EMA moving up and moving apart. Very strong chart pattern for me. The 5 EMA showing good support. So I'm probably sort of shell-shocked, and I sell some at 550, and then I sell the balance at 6.25. And pretty hard to hold a stock from 3 to, when you've doubled your money like that. I guess I should have kept 100 shares just for the hell of it, because what did it get to? Close to $12, but it doesn't matter. I was very happy with the profits that I made, happy to sell and let everybody else make more money after. But so there's the chart patterns, the wedge, and when it busts out of that, boom, I go long, and I just sell all the way up. This would have been actually another good place to buy when it broke this flag pattern that it had in here, and off it goes. Anyways, there you go. That's my trade. Thanks.